Hi everyone! Welcome to this beautiful custom home for sale in KEENE'S Pointe, one of the best golf communities in all Central Florida. This home is located at 6208 Blakeford Drive in Windermere. Come and join me! This full home offers a great floor plan with 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. Some of the greatest features this home has to offer are hardwood flooring and extensive crown moldings, a remodeled kitchen with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and plenty of cabinets perfect for storage. A very spacious master suite with view to the lanai, custom walk-in closets, the master bathroom with 2 vanities, tub, and a large walk-in shower. My favorite area, the backyard. Not only with this amazing view of the golf course, but a great summer kitchen and this nice seating area with a fire pit. Perfect to entertain your family and friends while enjoying the beautiful Disney fireworks. A very big bonus room upstairs, perfect for a playroom or to build a home theater. You'll have a 5th bedroom here with its own bathroom, which could be perfect for guests. This home is only a few steps from the Golden Bird Club and all its amenities, which are tennis courts, the well-known golf course, the fitness center, the pool, the bar and restaurant, the golf pro shop, and more.